Kindur app. The pros, the cons. Kindur is an investment platform designed to make saving and investing simple for everyday users. But is it truly the right fit for your financial goals? Starting with the pros. First, simplicity. Kindur's interface is intuitive, allowing beginners to navigate portfolios, track performance, and set goals without feeling overwhelmed. Second, goal-based investing. Users can define clear objectives, whether saving for home, education, or retirement, and the app helps create a portfolio aligned with those goals. Third, low minimums. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Kindur allows small, consistent contributions, which is perfect for beginners or those building habits. Now, the cons. One limitation is limited asset selection. Kindur focuses mainly on ETFs and mutual funds, which may not suit investors looking for individual stocks or crypto exposure. Another drawback is fees. While not exorbitant, management fees can reduce returns over time, particularly for smaller portfolios. The surprising truth? Most people underestimate the impact of starting small and staying consistent. Even modest contributions through Kindur's goal-based system can grow significantly over time thanks to compounding. In conclusion, the pros: simplicity, goal-based investing, and low minimums make Kindur appealing for novice investors seeking structure and guidance. The cons: limited asset options and fees suggest that more advanced investors might supplement it with other platforms. Overall, Kindur is a solid choice for anyone looking to build disciplined investing habits with minimal friction.